Okay. Come over here. You roll the window down. This piece has to come off. Slide it this way and then out. And then put your finger here and pop out. Let me show that again. Put your finger right here and pull out. These guys right here, slide in here to hold it. So you stick your finger right here, just pull this way and slide out. This will come out. The reason why we need to take this out, we need to get that screw out. Pull this screw out. Okay. Pulling that screw out allows for this guy to come out, and this needs to go this way and then out because it's got this guy right here. If you pull like this, you're gonna snap this. Pull out and then that screw holds it. This guy right here just sits in there. Do not break this. Slide this way and then this way out. We got all that out. Now, figure out where it's right here. Almost the edge. It's sitting right here. And if you take your fingers right here and push a little bit, when we see it, boom, it's like it's right here. It'll slide out. You just gotta just nudge just a little bit, and it will slide out. And over here, exact same thing, but it's right here in the middle. If you pull up, you see that how easy it was? I mean, I just barely just tapped it. Put it back in. These are like spring-loaded clips. It's very easy. And then you paint it, replace it with a new one. The sun's beaten on it, it's all chewed up. You put this side in first. Make sure that this ends up in the valley. It's dirty. In first, slowly slide it in, and it feels loose, but believe it or not, it's sturdy. And then put this guy back in, same way. You know, you could. You don't have to push this in all the way. Get this guy in. It'll stay. And then you gotta put this screw back in. Don't over tighten it. It's going into plastic. This guy, make sure you get these guys in here first before you pop the clip in. Usually, you know. And then if you want to test it, make sure you got them in. See, we missed that. Yeah, see? Now it's in. Both sides. That's it. That's how you take the doors apart.